So I did a little test here. I'm rewatching this after I recorded me um, drilling out this case. So I'm going to speed this up here and see if we can kind of fast forward play this. So I thought this would be kind of cool to see. That bit is completely done, by the way. So I was hoping I could kind of push that back, but that was a no-go. So I'm like, let's see if we can weasel it out a little bit. Not so much. Fuck it, let's find a flat blade and try and pop it out a little bit. Because I really didn't want to detach that lower part, because that part actually has to be there. I think I cracked the edge of my knife a little bit. Oops, daisy. Again, didn't want to actually apply much pressure. I just wanted to see if I could like wedge it, see how much flex it had. Not enough, but a lot. Like way more than you'd want it to, and not enough to actually move the fucker, as is tradition. So I'm like, all right, well, I'll just rig together something where I can twist those locks out. Because I know I have fucking key around here. I know I've got one of your key or a key from Joel, and I got a fucking key of my own somewhere. But nope. And of course, I don't have a nice shitty bic that I can be done with. Random moving stuff. Okay. So I see how much movement I have here. And I say, fuck it. I'll drill out the thing together. And there's two more rivets on the bottom. It was ironically the last rivet that was the biggest pain in the ass. Mangle that up a little bit. There's the caddies. That one goes off. And then this one's like, nope, nope, nope. I'm like, you fucker. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. And boom goes the dynamite. Oh, wait, 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 wait. I gotta go back. I gotta go back. That's the funny part. That's the bit. Gotta unzoom this from 5x speed to actually see this. I don't know why my webcam went all blurry on me. I grab the bit and I kind of show it up into the iPhone here. That thing is wrapped around there real nice and tight. Get this back up to 5. Finish this off here. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Ba-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. Thought about undoing that. I'm like, no, not today. That'd be dumb. But yes, it's so much simpler to assemble the son of a bitch with that cage not being right up in your grill. Again, with this case in like the 90-degree angles, it makes me feel very strange. And tiny screw go plop onto the lower spectrum. And of course, you gotta lay that thing out just right, or it actually doesn't go in. And all of a sudden, webcam wants to work again. Plop those back in for laters. one's kind of weird to pop in. Pop out the power switch without breaking. I actually didn't break the plastic tabs. I'm surprised. Anyone should equally be surprised. And we're almost done here. Wonder my neck is sore. Pull the little front tray out. Get an idea of how that feels for the board sitting in there. Lines up real good with what you had put in there previously. And there we go.